we are going to do a very interesting sum. Let's look at the sum first. It says that we have to show that tan of 48 degree into tan of 23 degree into tan of 42 degree into tan of 67 degree is equal to 1, right? First of all, we have to look at those angles: 48 degree, 23 degree, 42 degree, 67 degree, all those angles. If you observe, are they standard angles? No. That means somewhere we cannot use the trigonometric table. So first let's check. Now if you take the sum of 48 and 42, how much do we get? 90. That means, is that a pair of complementary angles? Yes. That means we can apply trigonometrical ratios of complementary angle here, right? And let's apply it for any one of them. Let's apply it for tan of 48. Is this much clear? Easy. Now if you look at the other set or other pair, right, it is 23 degree and 67 degree. If you take the sum of these two angles, it is again 90 degree. That means it is again a pair of complementary angles. That means we can apply the trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles here, right? So now let's apply it for any one out of them. Let's apply it for tan of 23 degree. So this is what we have done at the start. We observed the sum and we decided, yes, we have to use the trigonometrical ratios of complementary angles here. And we decided we are going to use for what? Now let's apply it. Let's do the sum. Now we are going to select, we have to prove left hand side equal to right hand side. So let's select the left hand side and solve it. So we write LHS, which is nothing but tan of 48 degree into tan of 23 degree into tan of 42 degree into tan of 67 degree. Right, we are going to apply it for tan of 48. So we know when we apply the trigonometrical ratios for this particular angle here, what do we get? Tan of 48 degree, right, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. That means tan of 48 is nothing but cot of 90 minus 48. We substitute that value there, right? Same way, when we do it for 90, that is tan of 23 degree, we'll write it as tan of theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. That means tan of 23 degree is nothing but cot of 90 minus 23 degree. Beautiful. We write it there, substitute it there, right? And tan of 42 would remain as it is, tan of 67 would remain as it is. Now let's solve it further. So now, cot of 90 minus 48. What is 90 minus 48? 90 minus 48 is nothing but it is 42. So we get the value of the first thing there as cot of 42 into cot of 90 minus 23 will be written as cot of 67 into tan of 42 remains as it is into tan of 67 degree. Right? This is what we got. Easy till now? Simple, right? Now, cot of 42 can be written as 1 upon tan of 42, right? Why? Because we know that cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. That is the relation between the reciprocal relation, you remember we had done, right? So same way, cot of 67 can also be written as 1 upon tan of 67, right? And tan of 42 into tan of 67 remains as it is. Now what happens here? This is all product, right? That means now tan of 42 and tan of 42 will get cancelled, right? Beautiful. And now tan of 67 and tan of 67 gets cancelled. That means now we have the value there as 1. Observe what is the right hand side there. That is right hand side is also 1. That means you got the right hand side here. You solved the left hand side and you got it equal to right hand side. That means we got LHS is equal to RHS. Hence we can say we proved what we were asked to. That means we have proved that tan of 48 degree into tan of 23 degree into tan of 42 degree into tan of 67 degree is equal to 1. We proved that. Easy.